How to log in on Aegean Airlines. Hello everybody. In this video you would be learning how you can log in on Aegean Airlines, and here is how to go about it. The first step, of course, is to open your web browser, open a new tab, move to the search box and then type out Aegean Airlines. Alright, and then once you've done that, okay, let's go back and type it out the right way. Alright, open a new tab, just type out Aegean Airlines, select the options displayed, and then on this page you can see Aegean official website. That is where we are heading to just go ahead and click on it. After clicking on it, you will be directed to the Aegean's website. All right, by the top left corner, to be sure you're on the website, you will see Aegean logo. And by the time you scroll down, you can see options like book a flight, book a flight plus hotel package, rent a car, my booking, check-ins, and all of that. So once you can see this, the next step is to move to the top right corner and then click on the login/register option. After doing that, a box will be displayed. In this box, the next option will be to click on login since you already have an account. And then to do that, just go ahead and type out your email as requested. Alright, so after typing out your email, move to the next option, which is your password, right? And then just type that out as well. So after you've done that, click on login. Okay, and then you wait patiently for it to load, and as you can see, you can be asked to save, and then you can see log in with one-time password, and then you have to select where you wish to receive the one-time login password. Is it through your email or through SMS? For me, I'll select SMS, and then I'll select send one-time password. And then the next thing is for you to wait for the verification password to be displayed for you to be able to type it in. Once you've gotten the code, just type it in and then click on confirm, and then you'd wait again to load. Alright, and then once it has loaded, as you can see, you are now logged in into your account. As you can see, this is my name and this is my account being displayed, and you can now scroll down and continue with whatever you have to on your Aegean's account. And then if you want to book a flight, you can also do that by going to the top right corner, clicking on the logo, and then you'll be taken to the login page. So this is how to go about it. This is how you can log in into your Aegean Airlines account. Thanks for watching, and ensure you have a good day.